Hey there, awesome viewers. I'm back again, well fed and fired up, to bring you another exciting brand new car review.
Imagine a car that combines cutting-edge tech, sleek design, and power. How does the Zeekr 7X hold up to the hype? With features like autopilot precision, an advanced suspension system, and luxurious interiors, this car aims to redefine what you expect from a modern crossover. Intrigued? Let's dive in and explore the top 10 standout features that make the Zeekr 7X truly impressive. Number 1. Advanced autonomous tech. The Zeekr 7X is loaded with advanced driving technology. It features 30 sensors, including LiDAR, cameras, and detectors that deliver precise autopilot and auto-parking capabilities. The large LiDAR unit on the front ensures high accuracy, making autonomous driving smoother and safer. Imagine cruising down the highway while the car practically drives itself. This is the future. Number 2. Smart suspension system. Ever experienced a ride that feels almost too smooth to be true? The Zeekr 7X features air suspension with a front double wishbone and rear multi-link system. This setup provides a comfortable and adaptive ride, whether you're navigating bumpy city streets or cruising along the highway. Plus, you can adjust the ride height from a minimum of 15 centimeters to a maximum of 22 centimeters for off-road or sporty driving. Number 3. 2 powerful drive options. The Zeekr 7X offers 2 thrilling performance choices: a rear-wheel drive model with 420 horsepower and an all-wheel drive variant delivering an impressive 640 horsepower. The top version accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds. Whether you crave heart-pounding speed or refined efficiency, this electric crossover provides an exhilarating experience while keeping you confidently planted on the road. Number 4. Intelligent, frameless doors. Opening the doors feels like stepping into the future. A built-in sensor lets you simply place your hand near the handle to open the frameless doors. This sleek feature not only looks cool, but also adds a layer of convenience. Plus, with a hefty curb weight of 2,400 kilograms, the solid design ensures you feel safe and secure. Number 5. Luxurious and high-quality interior. Step inside, and you're enveloped in pure luxury. High-quality Nappa leather seats with extended cushions ensure maximum comfort. The door panels and dash are covered in soft-touch materials, microfiber, and artificial leather with fine stitching. Ambient lighting adds to the sophisticated feel, making nighttime drives an unforgettable experience. Number 6. Immersive sound system. Music lovers, rejoice. The Zeekr 7X features a state-of-the-art sound system with 21 Zeekr sound speakers. From crisp highs to deep rumbling bass, every note feels immersive and rich. Even the headrests come equipped with speakers, allowing you to take calls in privacy or enjoy 360-degree sound without disturbing other passengers. Number 7. Massive OLED display. The Zeekr 7X boasts a magnificent 16-inch OLED center screen powered by a top-tier chip. The display quality rivals even Tesla and Lixiang, with razor-sharp graphics and fluid performance. The infotainment system is intuitive, providing access to navigation, climate control, and entertainment at lightning speed. It's a joy to use and looks spectacular. Number 8. Advanced steering wheel controls. The leather-wrapped steering wheel isn't just for driving, it's a command center. You can adjust the climate, control the music, and even monitor vehicle settings from integrated buttons. Plus, the steering wheel houses a fatigue detection eye, ensuring you stay focused on the road and providing alerts if your hands leave the wheel while using autopilot. Number 9. Exceptional rear comfort. The second-row seats are a haven of comfort, with features like zero-gravity mode and an extendable ottoman for the right-side passenger. There's plenty of legroom, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials. The panoramic sunroof adds a sense of spaciousness, while the rear sunshades ensure a more private and relaxed ride. Number 10. Impressive trunk space and versatility. Last but not least, the Zeekr 7X doesn't just look good, it's practical too. With a 2,950mm wheelbase and 616 liters of trunk space, there's room for everything you need. The back seats offer ample leg room, and rear passengers can enjoy features like seat ventilation, massaging functions, and ambient lighting. There's even a zero-gravity mode for the ultimate relaxation on long drives. The Zeekr 7X is a bold statement in the world of crossovers, combining luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. If you're excited about what this car has to offer, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.